Morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What have we got? We've got a brand new Mazda BT-50 directly from the dealer off the boat. Look, I don't even know why we got these cars. Anyway, so what do we got today? We're going to get a canopy fitted on this one. I believe it's getting a central locking kit as well to the tailgate, to the canopy. It's going to be a fairly long and involved install. We're also going to get a platform on the roof of it as well. Other than that, let's get right into it. ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoy the assembly and fit process of this canopy and platform. On this BT-50, while we're at it, we may as well go right through it. This one has been spec'd with our central locking both on the canopy and the tailgate from what I recall. Beautiful. So we'll just go through and show you exactly how these central locking units on the canopies work. So basically when you hit the unlock button on the car fob, you'll notice that the green light on the canopy lock starts flashing. While it's flashing, you can go ahead and actually unlock it. So then there's a time delay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so then now it's stopped. It is now locked itself again. So you've got all the time in the world while it's flashing to get it open. Very, very straightforward. The tailgate itself, that's easy. Locked, unlocked. So now utmost convenience, very, very secure. You've got up to 300 kilograms loading capacity on these canopies. Alrighty, very, very, very straightforward. We'll go ahead and we'll show you guys the platform on the roof of the cab as well. This one fits onto the OEM captive nuts that are already in the roof line of the current generation BT-50 and D-Max, so very, very straightforward install. Very heavy duty as well. Once again, these platforms are rated up to 300 kilograms. Please make sure to check your owner's manual for the actual weight rating of your roof. You definitely don't want to exceed that. Now, if you want to grab any of this stuff, go to ozcanopies.com.au, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Other than that, we'll see you guys on the next one.